My name is Elizabeth, and I attended the Medical Laboratory Science program, and I graduated in 2023. I chose to apply to the MLS program because I was working as a lab assistant in the microbiology department. And during my time, I learned what an MLS was, and then that's how I found out what the School of Health Science, and then I began my enrollment there. School prepared me for my future employment because during our clinical rotation, we got hands-on experience into different areas of the lab. I saw what more I could do. So just be ready to leave your comfort zone. I suggest applying to the Reading Hospital School of Health Science if you want a really great clinical hands-on experience.